Okay, talking about types of variables. This honestly is it's so easy that it seems that you don't need to pay attention to this, but the more advanced you get with Python, the more data types become important. It's really kind of a subtle way that you communicate with Python. Your code is directly how you communicate, but your objects, the way that you communicate, Python knows what to do with each object because of its data types. So by understanding your data types, making sure that things are not changing, they are what they think they are, even the difference between an integer and a floating or a decimal point number can have a slight effect. And so data types are something we need to communicate with because that is what lets Python know what can be done with any given object. And so it's really how we're kind of communicating on a subtle way with Python about what can be done with things. We really have to pay attention to this. We have major types of categorical variables, things like man, woman, dog, cat. And then we have numerical, which are kind of straightforward, age, the average, and we can do certain things with that. Very easy to do numerical calculations on numerical values. Data science and lots of things that we have available will allow us to use categorical variables in a way that was not necessarily able to be used previously. So very good. And looking at our two little panda friends here, you will notice they're representing the data types here. So we have the numbers to help us remember the numbers, but also the black and blue pandas to help us remember the categorical data types. So numeric and categorical data types.